Hey guys! Ziboy is back sa Netflix. Alam nyo ba guys na yung sobrang gusto ko talagang panoorin sa Netflix ay yung mga anthology series. Ang mga anthology series are para itong mga collection ng different stories and then it has just one theme that to tie them all. So, one of the examples are Black Mirror episodes, no? So, ngayon guys, may bagong release in Netflix. We have Terror Tuesday Extreme. It is actually a Thai horror anthology and it was based on real sharing because they have a radio program wherein every Tuesday and then they are going to there are people calling the program and then sharing their story. So basically Terror Tuesday Extreme